Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing this cutout pink outline acrylic nail. Let's get right into this video. I've prepped my nails already and I applied cuticle oil and top coat so that I can pop these nails off when I'm done. I'm just picking up a bead and trying to pat it down to the free edge. Okay, so at first I wanted to form my outline with my with my brush and then file it into shape, but then I realized that I wanted a sort of slim outline, so I just feathered down all the way to the free edge as I would build a normal nail, and then I made use of a razor blade dipped in clear powder to cut out the edges. Okay, so I went further to put in my cuticle bead and feathered the rest of the product into the nail. Okay, so a bit of advice if you're going to do this, the way I'm doing, is to raise the walls of your cutout outlines. You'd see it like later on when I do it. Like you need to raise the walls a bit higher so that when you file, you have you can file your outlines into a very crisp shape. And also make sure that if you're using a razor blade or a precision knife, just make sure it's very sanitary so that you do not perchance you cut into your hands or your client's hands, there will be no complications afterwards. Alrighty guys, so I'm done with this finger and I went off camera to do the rest of the fingers, and I also filed the rest of the fingers off camera. Okay, so it's really just easy. Just crisp up the edges with your nail file and you'll be good to go. Alrighty, so it's time to apply the pink. I'm basically just going to fill in the rest of the space with the darker and more opaque pink. And yeah, that's really just what I do on all of the fingers. Just try to fill it on in as neatly as I possibly can. And it's totally okay if you get some product, some of the pink or some of your darker color out of the outline. Don't worry about it, it will be filed off once the acrylic is set. I'm done filling up this nail and I did the rest off camera and also filed as well. I tried to cut out as as much as I could off this video because I didn't want it to be very long. There are many things that I already do in my other videos, so I'd leave links of my other videos in my description box for you guys to check it out. Alrighty guys, what I'm doing now is just applying some rhinestones because I want to put some 3D flowers, just a few petals on that finger, and then I'm also just going to put some rhinestones on the rest of the finger as well. Now I'm using top coat to adhere my rhinestones, basically because I'm taking off these nails like as soon as I'm done with this set. Alrighty guys, so I just got this 3D brush. I got it from CBH Luxury Store. I will leave their Instagram link in the description box as well. I haven't tried this brush before. I mean, I literally just saw it at their shop and I thought, you know, I'm in need of a 3D brush. I might as well just give it a go. But so far it did take some getting used to compared to my other 3D brush, but I got the hang of it later on, and it's a really nice brush. I love the fullness of the brush, and you know how it's super pointed. So yeah, I would leave their information in my description box for you to go get yours if you're here in Nigeria. So I'm using straight up monomer to create my petals. Normally I would add a bit of acetone in there so that the beads can set faster, but you know, I decided, you know, let me give it a go with, you know, like straight up monomer, because I haven't done that in a while. And so far my advice, if you know, if you're very good at 3D or you work fast at 3D, you should definitely add some acetone in there. Alrighty, so we're done with the 3D art and now it's just time to apply some top coat. I think now that I should have gone with matte top coat, but I'll do that next time. I thought glossy was going to, you know, look a lot cuter, but matte is cute too as well. Okay, so I'm just going to apply top coat to all of the fingers, and then and even on my rhinestones as well, because they are not like original Swarovski. So I usually just apply, you know, like some top coats to them so that they would shine a lot more. And when I'm done, I'm going to cure it in my lamp, and that would be the end of this video. Alrighty guys, this is the final result. This set is pretty, it's pink, it's beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.